Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here is a problem. Pointing to a lady, a person said, "The son of her only brother is a brother of my wife. How is the lady related to the person?" And if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So pointing to a lady, so let's put a lady here. A person said, "The son of her only brother." So this lady have brother, and only brother means that this lady doesn't have any other brother or sister, just one brother. And we also can add parents here. Those parents are not mentioned, but if this brother and sister, they have the same parents, so we need them also for the full picture. Again, the son of her only brother, so brother is married and he has a son, is the brother of my wife. So this couple has two children. One is a son, and the son is a brother of this person who is talking. He is brother of this person's wife. So again, the son of her only brother, and he is a son, is the brother of my wife, is the brother of this person's wife. So this couple has two children. One more time, pointing to a lady. So this person here, let me write him here, and he's pointing at this lady, and this person is saying, the son of her only brother. This lady has a brother and only one brother, and he has a son, and that son is a brother of my wife. So now we have to find how this lady is related to this person. She is obviously a sister of his wife's father. How else we can say? We can say that father of the wife would be father-in-law of this person, and his sister would be sister of the father-in-law. So as you see, the correct answer is answer C. And another way how we can say, we also can say that she is a sister of the father of his wife, or again we can say that sister of the father-in-law. So there are different ways how to say, and one of such variants are listed here, and the rest are wrong answers. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.